A lot of people enjoy winter, but there are also pros and cons. Pros include black cherry lipstick, spiced lattes, cozy knits, knee-high boots, and everything burgundy. There are, however, cons, including dry, rough skin, chapped lips, frizzy hair, and an ineffective summer makeup routine. There's no point in controlling oil anymore, it's time to moisturize. Staying on top of your beauty game even during Mother Nature's storms is possible with these tips. Beauty hack number 1: Smooth static. The Garnier Fructis Style Frizz Guard Anti-Frizz Dry Spray not only removes static but also holds and softens hair, making it smoother and tamer. What's even better? It's flexible and works on all hair types. Beauty hack number 2: Exfoliate your skin regularly. The biggest skin concern this season is dry skin, so exfoliating is essential. In order to know if you are sensitive to a certain product, always try a patch test on the inside of your elbow, aka your elbow pit, rather than on your face. Kiehl's Pineapple Papaya Facial Scrub is a gentle enzyme scrub that works well. Use a dime-sized amount and rub the scrub over your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, avoiding the eye area, then rinse thoroughly with water. It allows you to clean better than your hands alone, while gently exfoliating dead skin, which tends to accumulate quickly during winter. Step up your game with the Clarisonic Mia Fit. Beauty hack number 3: Don't skip the moisturizer. If your skin is dry and dehydrated due to cold air, it will be easier to notice fine lines and wrinkles. So use a moisturizer that is packed with good for your skin ceramides and lipids to boost hydration, such as SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore 2-4:2. You need a soothing eye cream that hydrates and soothes the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply it twice a day. Divide a pea-sized amount of Lancôme Visionnaire Year Eye Correction Advanced Multi-Correcting Eye Balm and use your ring finger to blend it under your eyes and over your lids. Beauty hack number 4: Exfoliate and protect lips. Run your toothbrush under water, then gently scrub your lips during the colder months to keep your lips soft. Apply a thick lip balm before bed, and drink a glass of water first thing in the morning to prevent dry, cracked lips. Reapply your lip balm throughout the day to keep them moist. Beauty hack number 5: Update makeup formulas. Use cream or liquid products to conceal dry or flaky skin, as powder will only call attention to dry spots. Instead, use cream blushes, lip stain, and liquid bronzers to moisturize and soothe dry skin. If you're interested, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.